Morning, Pigeon family. It's Sam's Loft. Assalamu alaikum to the new subscribers. I'm gonna give you an update of my young birds, my young bird flying team, and just I guess the whole loft. Why not? All right, these are my newest young birds. I got 11 of them. All right, I got 11 of them. That right there is a flight. That's my cock bird. I leave him over here for a week so he can make sure that everybody is eating. I got pellets in there. Got water. Got one. All of my young 2018 birds. These come from another flyer in our club. I gave them 25 bands. He gave me 11 birds so far. And those will be finishing up on my flying team. Let's see. That's a nice little grizzle right there. Still got his little orange head. See my little guys right there. Just gonna try to get a little close up. You see, none of them squeaking. Pretty good parents, all of them. All right, let's go take a look at the rest of the guys. That's the outside of the flying pen, everybody. It's about 85 degrees today. I gave everybody bath water. Already changed out the water twice already. It's probably about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Didn't fly nobody. The flights was out yesterday and the day before and Sunday. Just doing last minute house cleaning. Got my apple cider vinegar, everybody do. Okay, let's go inside, take a look. All right, this is my flights. I think everybody can see pretty good. Came in here, did a thorough cleanup. I got my garbage pail with pellets. And I got grit on top with one little opening on the other side so they don't throw it everywhere. Back here, have my water. Nice little clean water. Got something on top to keep them from crapping in it. Got something right there. And on the front to keep them from throwing stuff inside the water. And then for the flying team, okay, let's see if I can find the Incredible Hulk. Flying team, agitated. Got my pellets right there. Got the cover on top. Got a water right there and got the big 5-gallon water right there. Let's see if I can find the Incredible Hulk. Well, I was trying to zoom in Kenzie Mack and find Incredible Hulk. He must have dropped his must have dropped the yellow band. I got 4 silvers. You see that? Silver bars. Well, quite a few checks. I got some dogs and some grizzles. A couple of them. All right, it's 20. I think I got 26 young birds. But man, I'm so sorry about that. I can't even find my boy. Well, while I was talking about the Kenzie Mack, I want to give the UK family a shout out. Ascending Loft, Kenzie Mack, Joe Tipplers, Hellflight, Mark Hunt, High Flyer 18, and the new guy I'm following online, Rods and Rollers with Daz. All right, let's go over there and look at the big boys. On this one, I got the waterer right there. I got another waterer that goes on top and a cover. Keep them from crapping in it. But got this block right here so that they can't get over there. And their feed is right there. It's full. put this on top so they can't knock it over. Let's got a little daylight in here. Let's see what we can do in here. I'm gonna quit hollering. We got two up there. I don't know what they sitting on. I don't think they're sitting on nothing. I know I got my two silvers up there. They already banded. Got this grizzle sitting on 2 eggs. This is his young bird. All right, ain't got nobody else in here. Let's see what we got. We got 2 young birds in there. Get over here and see what's working. Got 3 babies in there. She had haven't banded them yet, but she got 3. Got a red, looks like a red. Let's see. We don't know what it is, but I banded it anyway. But I know this one's gonna probably be a red. And I got them on pellets so you can see their crop. Got 2 more in here. Yeah, I got 2 in there. That's a silver. They're banded. Got 2 more in there. They're banded. This pancake birds laid 2 more eggs. So that's just about it going on in here. So we got 2, 2, 2, oh, my fault, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2 eggs. And I know she got 2 eggs. He got 2 eggs right there. You can see I scraped everything down, put new sand in here. And it didn't take me long. Scraping down was the biggest thing, and cleaning out the boxes, some of the boxes anyway. Well, that's all we got going on in there. Last but least, the flight breeding section. I haven't cleaned it out. I was just getting started on cleaning it out today. I said, let me go here, make a video and get it out of the way. All right, here, got my pellets in that bucket. And then my trash can. Put a new trash can in here. Got my seed. You can look at it. It's a little bit of everything mixed. Got corn, pellets. Got a little bit of everything. Black sunflower. That's what the club has been flying. All right, let's look at we got the pellets in here. I'm gonna clean this cage out in just a few minutes. But let's get a rundown. Flights at the top. 1 little baby. This will be the last round, last everything on flights. We got these flights. My little flights looking cool. All right, in here we got 1 flight right there. And 1 homer. check them out. I think I already banded them. Yeah, I already banded them. Won't make that mistake no more, fellas. It's a flight. I know it's a flight, so I ain't got to worry about it. This is a new set up here. They got 2 eggs. They was in the other pen, but it was just too crowded, so I pulled them out. All right, this one right here. She's a little meanie. Band came off. I banned them on Friday. Got 2 in there. And her. She's sitting on 2 eggs over here. I got another Homer pair in there. They ain't got nothing going on in there. This is the flight. Look at that flight. Pretty white. Her parents are right there. That cockbird. They laid 2 eggs, so I swapped their 2 eggs out with 2 home eggs and threw flight eggs away. This one right here, we got 2 babies underneath her. Looks like 2 blue bars, 2 homers. And in here is 2 more homers. I swapped the flight eggs out and put homer eggs in their place. And they did a doggone good job raising them. All right, let me get on out here. They keep slapping me upside the head. All right, that's all we got going on over there. Shouts out to Aloha Pigeons, Hawaiian Brian, Antonio. All right, it's our Hawaiian connection. Quaking Pigeons, sorry about the senior video. Went through some little stuff with the storm. Sorry about hearing about that. Rico's Pigeons, Don Pigeons, Dunningville Loft, Hidden Hollow Loft, on the go Loft. Shouts out to all our family. The Coopers, Peter Raymond, Stratus 5907, RC 33, Tipplerman 266, and Skywatcher, and last but not least, Thomas White, who helped me out with getting, I was taking out some of my pigeons. He took them off my hands for me. I really appreciate it. Video's going long, sorry about that. Thanks everybody for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Thanks a lot. Peace.